Welcome fellow boat enthusiasts. Today we are unboxing the Noco Genius GenPro 10x1 onboard battery charger and maintainer and the Noco GCP1 AC Port plug. The Noco Genius has a waterproof rating of IP68, which means it is water resistant in fresh water up to 1.5 meters for 30 minutes. There are multiple modes for optimized charging, including 12-volt mode, 12-volt AGM, 12-volt lithium-ion, and 12-volt repair. The Noco Genius is also outfitted with an integrated thermal sensor to prevent overcharging at high temperatures and undercharging at low temperatures. The Noco GCP1 AC Port plug is a convenient accessory that allows you to instantly connect to power outlets anywhere. It has a rugged, durable design to protect against environmental conditions, is waterproof, and requires no wiring. If you've been here before, welcome back. If you're new, thanks for stopping by. In my next video, I will show installation of the Noco Genius GenPro 10x1 and the Noco GCP1 AC Port plug. If you enjoyed this video, hit the like button. If you'd like to see more, consider subscribing. Thanks for watching A Boat with No Name.